morning. It is Saturday, it's 7:41 a.m. I have just showered. I don't wash my hair today, if you're wondering. And now I'm gonna do my makeup, I guess. Today we're going for a long walk again. And the place where we're walking the place where we're walking is about an hour away from us. So I have to get up a little bit early to get there on time. We said that we'd meet up with some friends at 10 o'clock. So, working on that. I gotta leave home by like 8:50 or something. Yeah, I guess that's it for now. I'm sure we'll keep you updated. Bye!
Oh, it's one side. I love like a fire structure. Aww. Oh, it's like flat. Yeah, it's like 3D. Oh, that's disappointing. I don't think you're gonna be able to hear anything. Try talking. How do you feel? Tired. I can still feel, yeah, the shadow is like...
Oh, wow. That way there's no noise and no exhaust. Well, there's still methane.
It'll take the methane. Take a little bit of
And then, you know, the goat poop fertilizes the ground for the next season. Yeah. You know what erosion is. Well, the goats are the lawnmower. So the city hires these goats out to go to different places and bring back all the vegetation for forest fire. And that way there's no noise and no exhaust. Well, there's still methane.
Which one was it? The little horns?
It doesn't. They can eat it. They can brush it. I was going to be an animal pizza.
it wanting it? I said you could drink some.
That was some.
Hey, you forgot that I need to drink some too. Why would they have an electric? Well, it's not electric, it's just static. But no wonder I saw them at. They were at.
My phone actually won't tell me what this building is.
It's a secret.
Apparently.
Yeah. Well, I guess some schools look like
Prisoner school. I mean, our high school had bars on the windows.
Okay, then definite prisoner.
Hello. So I'm just walking a little bit before bed. We walked a lot today. I'm only walking right now because I was at 30,700 steps and I wanted to get to 31,000 because I'm like that. So I'm just trying to hit 30,000. I think I'm at about 30,930, so just about there. Yeah, so we walked a ton today, and I'm very tired, and I actually am hoping I didn't overwalk today, because this is probably my second, yes, definitely my second highest walk distance ever, and tomorrow we're going for a hike, so I'm afraid that I'm gonna still be tired from today and not gonna be able to do the hike, but hopefully I will. Also, I promised that I would bake something because we're going to someone's house for dinner tomorrow. I promised I would bake something, but I didn't actually have time to bake anything, so unless I manage to find some time tomorrow, I don't think I'm gonna be able to. Sorry, guys. Maybe, I don't know, I kind of honestly have been thinking maybe I should go to the store and buy something, but that's probably overkill. I don't think anybody would want me to do that. Yeah. So, long day. I'm gonna go to bed now. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye!